Oh, hello there. You just caught me enjoying a sip of a small cup of sweet southern tea. However, I'm a little out of breath because we shot the push-ups first today. I apologize for not shooting a video yesterday. However, it was pissing down rain the whole day and we were lazy. So to make up for that, today I will be doing, in addition to tractor push-ups on this other broken tractor, I will be doing chicken coop chin-ups. That's right, chicken coop chin-ups. Today you'll notice that I am wearing official Air Force gear, including my shoes from basic training. Today, I would like to call out the actual toughest woman I know, for today is fight day. UFC 202, very excited, and I'm calling out fellow Air Force brat and actual MMA fighter, Janisa Williams. Let's see those push-ups, girl.
There you go.
Alright, today we're going to try some chicken coop chin-ups. I'll be doing these the easier way. Later we'll try some more the hard way on the barn, but for today, let's see how many I can do. I hope it'll be 22, but it won't be. Let's do it! $15. We'll do 7 more. Hold on. Woo! Ah! Ah! Not gonna happen.